Hello everyone. The former President Jacob Zuma's daughter, Duduzile Zuma has now hinted to join the EFF after Manyi was sworn in as a member of parliament. Manyi was recently sworn in as an EFF member of parliament with quite a group. Trump's member Eugene Mthethwa, Mobile Mhlongo, and Mandla Shikwambana. Duduzile said she was excited to see the difference Manyi would make in the EFF, hinting she will join him soon. She took it to her timeline and wrote, "Please keep my seat warm there next to you. Honorable Mzwanele Manyi, I am so happy for you and excited to see the difference you will make for our people. I know your heart and the passion you have for South Africa and Africa. Fight on, fighter." Duduzile also congratulated Mthethwa and said, "Your mandate is clear. Save the people of South Africa, but most importantly, make a difference for our artists. Ever since I met you more than a decade ago, I know the artists have been a great passion of yours. You are now their voice." Julius Malema, the EFF president, is also hoping that the former President Jacob Zuma will one day join his party. He said, "We hope soon we will welcome former President Jacob Zuma into the EFF. It's a home of rehabilitation. Anyone who wants to come, they are more than welcome." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.